You guys, I'm here right now because I want to validate the deep sadness, the sorrow, the hole, like it feels like a hole in your heart, in your entire being, because of not having good relationship with your siblings and having so much bitterness and anger and violent kind of relationship with them. And that could be the result of, you grew up in a bloodline, in an ancestry line, in a lineage which was emotionally dysfunctional completely. And everybody, your grandparents, brothers, sisters do not talk to each other, can't even look at each other. Your parents, siblings living under the same roof but hating on each other, trying to hurt each other, belittling each other, insulting each other, being like putting each other down on a daily basis. You grew up seeing that. So now your relationship with your siblings is like that, or you grew up around parents who were just creating differences between your siblings because that was their, what do we say, that was their, there is a word for it, strategy to get love and connection, some, because we play different kind of games in relationships to get love, to create connection, and all these games don't work. But for some reason, there are generations of people that are playing these games with each other. Women are just getting pregnant to get love from their husbands, and then husband feel like that they have to forcefully take the responsibility of something that they don't want to take a responsibility of, but they were doomed to have a child. And then, like, but there's just like games, it's not just about husband or whatever. It's also like trying to triangulate each other, one sibling to other, or trying to, whatever games. There are plenty of games, relationship games, but they do not bring us love, they do not create healthy connection. Okay. And we as human beings can only thrive on healthy relationships. And in the homes where these kind of games are played in relationships, people start to be afraid of each other. And then then it's like you look at the world and then you're scared of everybody. But then it began in the home. And even if you're like, okay, I don't even want to have a relationship with this sibling and all of that, I have my own life, great. But there is that deep sadness that you may not be looking at, but feel it. It's okay to feel it instead of suppressing it. And if you already feel it, I just want to validate that feeling. It is sad. It is really, really sad and heartbreaking. There is nothing that can be done in here. I do not have any solution for this. I just wanted to talk about it. Number one, to validate, and two, just to, inspire you to feel it. Like, it's okay to be sad. Make space for this kind of deep sorrow and sadness. It's really heartbreaking, to have the sibling bond being broken away, or to have bitterness, or like when siblings feels or behaves like an enemy. That kind of sorrow, yeah, let's give it space, Let's feel it. Also, I am here for you. You can take my support in processing your deep feelings, past pain, your shame, and other deep feelings by booking a one on one session with me. Also, if you want intuitive guidance in some area of your life and you want to move through fear, through change, and you want intuitive guidance, I am here for you. And like, if you want to feel more confident and get into your power, move through self doubt, move through fears, I am here for you. Link of my one on one session is in my bio and in my description.